Chapter 5, 5장 Advice from a Caterpillar. 애벌레의 조언. The caterpillar and Alice looked at each other for some time in silence. 애벌레와 앨리스는 서로를 조용히 쳐다봤죠. At last, 마침내 the caterpillar took the hookah out of its mouth. 애벌레가 입에서 물담배를 떼어내고 and addressed her in a languid, sleepy voice. 나른하고 졸리운 목소리로 말을 걸었죠. Who are you? 넌 누구니? said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 말했어요. This was not an encouraging opening for a conversation. 대화가 좋게 시작한 것 같진 않았죠. Alice replied. 앨리스는 대답했죠. Rather shyly, 수줍게. I hardly know, sir. 잘 모르겠어요. Just at present, 지금은요. At least I know who I was when I got up this morning. 오늘 아침에 일어났을 때 내가 누군지 알았거든요. But I think I must have been changed several times since then. 하지만 그 이후로는 여러 번 제가 바뀌었어요. What do you mean by that? 그게 무슨 소리야? said the caterpillar sternly. 애벌레가 엄하게 물었죠. Explain yourself. 설명해봐. I can't explain myself, I'm afraid, sir. 설명을 못하겠어요. 앨리스가 말했죠. Because I'm not myself, you see. 왜냐하면 내가 제가 아니거든요. I don't see. 무슨 말인지 모르겠는데, said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 말했죠. I'm afraid I can't put it more clearly. 더 명확하게 설명할 수가 없어요. Alice replied very politely. 앨리스는 아주 공손하게 대답했죠. For I can't understand it myself to begin with. 제 자신도 이해가 안 되고요. And being so many different sizes in a day. 하루에 여러 번 몸 크기가 바뀌다 보니까 it's very confusing. 아주 혼란스러워요. It isn't. 그렇지 않아, said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 말했죠. Well, perhaps you haven't found it so yet. 아직 못 느껴봐서 그래요, said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. But when you have to turn into chrysalis, 하지만 애벌레님이 번데기로 변하면 you will someday, 언젠가, you know, 알게 되실걸요. And then after that into a butterfly, 그리고 나비로 변해도요. I should think you will feel a little queer, won't you? 기분이 좀 이상하지 않을까요? 그쵸? Not a bit. 조금도 안 그럴 것 같은데, said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 말했죠. Well, perhaps your feelings may be different. 아마 애벌레님의 감정은 좀 다를 거예요, said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. All I know is, 제가 아는 것이라곤 it would feel very queer to me. 저에게는 아주 이상할 것 같아요. You? No, said the caterpillar contemptuously. 애벌레가 경멸조로 물었죠. Who are you? 넌 누구야? Which brought them back again to the beginning of the conversation. 다시 대화의 처음으로 돌아간 거죠. Alice felt a little irritated at the caterpillar's making. 앨리스는 조금 짜증이 났죠. 애벌레의 such very short remarks. 짤막한 언행에 and she drew herself up and said. 그래서 몸을 꼿꼿이 세우고 말했어요. Very gravely, 아주 심각하게. I think you ought to tell me who you are first. 제 생각엔 당신이 먼저 누구인지 말씀해 주셔야 될 것 같아요. Why? 왜? said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 물었죠. Here was another puzzling question. 또 다른 혼란스러운 질문이었죠. And as Alice could not think of any good reason, 앨리스가 좋은 대답을 찾지 못해서 And as the caterpillar seemed to be in a very unpleasant state of mind, 그리고 애벌레도 기분이 안 좋은 것 같아서 She turned away. 앨리스는 몸을 돌려 가려고 했죠. Come back, 돌아와. The caterpillar called after her. 애벌레가 앨리스를 불렀어요. I have something important to say. 내가 해줄 중요한 말이 있어. This sounded promising. 조금 예감이 좋았죠. Certainly, 확실히. Alice turned and came back again. 앨리스는 뒤돌아서 다시 돌아왔어요. Keep your temper. 화내는 걸 좀 참아봐, said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 말했어요. Is that all? 그게 다예요? said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. Swallowing down her anger as well as she could. 최대한 끓어오르는 화를 참으면서 No, 아니, said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 말했어요. Alice thought she might as well wait. 앨리스는 기다리는 게 낫겠다 싶었죠. As she had nothing else to do. 다른 일 할 것도 없고. And perhaps after all, 결국에 it might tell her something worth hearing. 들어서 들을 가치가 있는 얘기를 해줄 수도 있잖아요. For some minutes, it popped away without speaking. 그래서 몇 분 동안 애벌레가 말 없이 담배만 피웠댔죠. But at last, 하지만 마침내 it unfolded its arms, 꼬고 있던 팔을 풀고 took the hookah out of its mouth again. 담배를 내려놓고 and said, 말했어요. So you think you're changed, do you? 그래서 네가 변했다는 거지? I'm afraid I'm sir. 그런 것 같아요. said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. I can't remember things as I used. 내가 알고 있었던 것도 기억이 잘 안 나요. And I don't keep the same size for 10 minutes together. 그리고 10분 이상을 같은 몸 크기로 있지도 못하고요. Can't remember what things. 뭘 기억을 못한다는 거야? said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 말했죠. Well, I've tried to say how does the little busy bee. 저는 바쁜 꿀벌 시를 낭송하려고 했는데 but it all came different. 다 대사가 다르게 나왔어요. Alice replied in a very melancholy voice. 아주 처량한 목소리로 대답을 했죠. Repeat. Your old father William. 나이든 아버지 윌리엄이라는 시를 읊어봐. said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 말했어요. Alice folded her hands. 앨리스는 두 손을 모으고 and began 낭송을 시작했죠. Your old father William. 아버지는 늙었어요. The young man said. 젊은이가 말했죠. And your hair has become very white. 머리도 하얗게 씌었고요. And yet you insistently stand on your head. 하지만 아버지는 계속해서 물구나무를 서시죠. Do you think at your age it is right? 그게 나이에 맞는 행동이라고 생각하세요? In my youth. 내가 젊었을 때는 Father William replied to his son. 아버지가 그의 아들에게 말했죠. I feared it might injure the brain. 뇌를 다칠까봐 두려워했단다. But now that I'm perfectly sure I have none. 하지만 아무 일도 일어나지 않았고 I did again and again. 그래서 또 하고 또 하는 거야. You are old. 아버지는 늙으셨어요. said the youth. 젊은이가 말했죠. As I mentioned before. 제가 미리 말씀드린 것 같이 I have grown most uncommonly fat. 그리고 많이 살도 찌셨고요. Yet you turned back some salt in at the door. 하지만 문간에서 뒤로 공중제비를 두셨죠. Pray, what is the reason of that? 왜 그러시는 거예요? In my youth, 내가 젊었을 때, said the sage, 그 현명한 아버지가 말했죠. As he shook his great locks, 그의 흰 머리를 흔들면서 I kept all my limbs very supple. 내가 내 팔다리를 아주 유연하게 만들어놨어. By the use of this ointment. 이 연고를 써서 말이야. 1 shilling the box. 한 박스에 1 shilling인데 allow me to sell you a couple. 한 두 개 살래? You're old. 아버지는 늙었어요. said the youth. 젊은이가 말했죠. And your jaws are too weak. 그리고 아버지의 턱이 너무 약해서 for anything tougher than sweet. 비계보다 더 질긴 건 못 드시잖아요. Yeah, you finished the goose. 그런데 거위를 다 드시고 with the bones and the beak. 뼈와 부리까지 다 드셨어요. Pray, how did you manage to do it? 어떻게 그럴 수가 있었죠? In my youth, 내가 젊었을 때, said his father, 그의 아버지가 말했죠. I took to the law. 나는 재판소에 여러 번 왔다 갔다 했어. And argued each case with my wife. 그리고 나의 아내랑 여러 번 다퉜지. And the muscular strength. which it gave to my jaw. 그래서 근력이 발달해서 내 턱에 has lasted the rest of my life. 평생 남아있는 거야. You're old, said the youth. 젊은이가 말했죠. 아버지는 늙으셨어요. One would hardly suppose that your eye was as steady as ever. 아버지 눈도 안 좋으실 거라는 생각이 드는데 Yet you balancing ill on the end of your nose. 하지만 코끝에다 장어를 세워놓을 수도 있고 What made you so awfully clever? 어떻게 그렇게 현명해지신 거예요? I've answered the three questions. 나는 세 가지 질문에 답을 했고 and this is enough. 이걸로 충분해. said his father. 그의 아버지가 말했죠. Don't give yourself airs. 더 이상 어떤 소리 하지 마라. Do you think I can listen all day to such stuff? 내가 이런 이상한 얘기를 하루 종일 듣고 있어야 되냐? Be up. 썩 꺼져라. Or I'll kick you downstairs. 그렇지 않으면 계단 아래로 뻥 차버릴 거야. That is not said, right? 제대로 한 게 아닌데, said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 말했죠. Not quite right, I'm afraid. 잘한 것 같지 않아요. said Alice timidly. 소심하게 앨리스가 말했죠. Some of the words I've got altered. 단어를 몇 개 바꿔서 말한 것 같아요. It is wrong from beginning to end. 처음부터 끝까지 다 틀렸어. said the caterpillar decidedly. 애벌레가 단호하게 말했죠. And there was silence for some minutes. 그리고 침묵이 이어졌어요. The caterpillar was the first to speak. 애벌레가 먼저 말을 꺼냈죠. What size do you want to be? 어떤 크기로 되고 싶은데? It asked. 애벌레가 물었어요. Oh, I'm not particular as to size. 특별한 사이즈를 원하는 게 아니고요. Alice hastily replied. 앨리스가 급하게 대답했죠. Anyone doesn't like changing so often, you know. 그냥 자주 바뀌는 게 힘들다는 거죠. I don't know, said the caterpillar. 모르겠네. 애벌레가 말했죠. Alice said nothing. 앨리스는 아무 말도 안 했어요. She had never been so much contradicted in her life before. 평생 이렇게 반박을 많이 당해본 적이 없었어요. And she felt that she was losing her temper. 그리고 화가 나려고 했죠. Are you content now? 이제는 만족스럽니? said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 물었죠. Well, I should like to be a little larger, sir. 조금 더 컸으면 좋겠어요. If you wouldn't mind, said Alice. alice가 말했죠. 3 inches is such a wretched height to be. 3인치는 너무 딱한 키잖아요. It's a very good height indeed. 그 키는 딱 좋아, said the caterpillar angrily. 애벌레가 화나서 말했죠. Reading itself right as it spoke. 말하면서 몸을 고추 세웠죠. It was exactly 3 inches high. 딱 3인치였어요. But I'm not used to it. 하지만 저는 익숙하지 않다고요. Pleaded poor Alice in a piteous tone. 처량한 목소리로 불쌍한 앨리스가 말했죠. And she thought herself. 그리고 혼잣말을 했어요. I wish the creatures would be so easily offended. 여기 생물들이 잘 삐지지 않았으면 좋겠네. You will get used to it in time. 시간이 지나면 적응돼. said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 말했죠. And it put the hookah into its mouth. 그리고 후카를 다시 입에 집어넣고 and began smoking again. 또 다시 담배를 피웠죠. This time, Alice waited patiently. 이번에는 앨리스가 끈기 있게 기다렸어요. Until he chose to speak again. 애벌레가 다시 말할 때까지. In a minute or two, 1~2분 지나고 the caterpillar took the hookah out of its mouth. 애벌레가 담배를 입에서 빼고 and yawned once or twice. 하품을 한두 번 하고 and shook itself. 몸을 흔들었죠. Then it got down off the mushroom. 그리고 버섯에서 내려왔고 and crawled away in the grass. 풀숲으로 기어들어갔어요. Merely remarking as it went. 가면서 이런 말을 했죠. One side will make you grow taller. 한쪽 면은 너를 키를 크게 할 거고 and the other side will make you grow shorter. 반대면은 너의 키를 작게 만들어줄 거야. One side of what? 어떤 거요? The other side of what? 어떤 거의 반대쪽이요? The Alice just saw. 앨리스 혼자 말했죠. Of the mushroom. 버섯 말이야, said the caterpillar. 애벌레가 말했어요. Just as if she had asked it aloud. 마치 앨리스가 큰 소리로 물은 것처럼. And on the moment, 그리고 그 it was out of sight. 사라졌죠. Alice remained looking thoughtfully at the mushroom. 앨리스는 천천히 버섯을 살펴봤어요. For a minute, trying to make out which were the two sides of it. 어디가 서로 반대인지 보려고 and as it were perfectly round 버섯이 완벽하게 둥그렇기 때문에 she found this a very difficult question. 이게 어려운 문제라는 생각이 들었죠. However, 하지만 at last she stretched her arms around it. 양팔을 버섯에 두르고 as far as they would go and broke off a bit of the arch with each hand. 양손으로 각각 조금씩 잘라냈어요. And now which is which? 근데 어떤 게 어떤 거지? She said to herself. 앨리스가 또 혼잣말했죠. And nibbled a little of the right hand bit to try the effect. 그 효과를 보기 위해서 오른손으로 뜯어냈던 부분을 먹었어요. The next moment, she felt a violent blow underneath her chin. 턱에 한 방을 먹은 것 같았죠. It had struck her foot. 턱이 발까지 떨어졌어요. She was a good deal frightened by this very sudden change. 급격하게 변했기 때문에 두려웠고, but she felt that that wasn't time to be lost. 하지만 시간이 없어서 she was shrinking rapidly. 자기 몸이 너무 작아지고 있었기 때문에 so she set to work at once to eat some of the other bit. 다른 쪽 면을 먹으려고 했죠. Her chin was pressed so close against her foot. 턱이 발이랑 너무 가까이 닿아 있어서 that there was hardly room to open her mouth. 입을 벌릴 공간이 별로 없었지만 but she did it a lot. 결국은 해냈고 and managed to swallow a morsel of the left hand bit. 왼쪽 손에 들고 있던 버섯 조금을 삼켰죠. Calm my head free at last. 머리가 이제 자유로워졌어. So Alice in a tone of delight. 기쁘게 앨리스가 말했죠. Which changed it into alarm. 그런데 깜짝 놀랐죠. Another moment when she found that her shoulders were nowhere to be found. 어깨가 안 보였거든요. All she could see, 보이는 거라곤. When she looked down, 내려다 봤을 때 was an immense length of neck. 엄청 길다란 목이었어요. Which seemed to rise like a stalk. 마치 나무 줄기같이 보였죠. Out of a sea of green leaves, they lay for below her. 앨리스 아래에는 풍성한 초록 잎들이 펼쳐져 있었고요. What can all the green stuff be? 저 초록 잎사귀 뭐지? 앨리스가 말했어요. And where have my shoulders got to? 내 어깨는 어디가 있는 거야? And oh my poor hands. 내 불쌍한 손들은? How is it I can't see you? 어떻게 내가 널 못 보냐? She was moving them about as she spoke. 말하면서 손을 움직였지만 but no result seemed to follow. 아무 일도 일어나지 않는 듯했고 except a little shaking among the distant green leaves. 저 멀리 초록색 이파리만 흔들렸죠. As there seemed to be no chance of getting her hands up to her head. 손을 들어서 머리에 닿을 수가 없어서 she tried to get her head down to them. 머리를 손에 가져가려고 노력해봤어요. And was delighted to find that her neck would bend biasly in any direction. 그래도 다행히도 목은 어느 방향이든지 구부릴 수가 있었어요. Like a serpent, 뱀처럼. She had just succeeded in curving it down into graceful zigzag. 우아하게 지그재그로 움직일 수 있었고 and was going to dive in among the leaves. 풀숲 사이로 다이빙 할 차례였죠. She found to be nothing but the tops of the trees. 나무 꼭대기였고 under which she had been wandering. When a sharp hiss made her draw back in a hurry. 어떤 깍 하고 씩씩하는 소리가 들렸어요. A large pigeon, 커다란 비둘기가 had flown into her face. 앨리스 얼굴로 날아와서 and was beating her violently with its wings. 날개로 앨리스를 마구 때리고 있었죠. Serpent, 뱀아, screamed the pigeon. 비둘기가 외쳤어요. I'm not a serpent. 나는 뱀이 아니야. And Alice indignantly, 화가 나서 앨리스가 말했죠. Let me alone. 날 좀 내버려둬. Serpent, I say again. 다시 말하는데 넌 뱀이야. Repeated the pigeon. 비둘기가 말했어요. But in a more subdued tone. 하지만 좀 더 부드러운 목소리로 added with a kind of sob. 약간 흐느끼는 목소리로 말했죠. I've tried every way. 나는 모든 시도를 다 했어. And nothing seems to suit them. 하지만 다 안 돼. I haven't the least idea what you're talking about. 너 무슨 말 하는지 모르겠다. said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. I've tried the roots of trees. 난 나무 뿌리에도 해봤고 and I've tried the banks. 강기슭에도 해봤고 and I've tried hedges. 울타리에도 해봤어. The pigeon went on. 비둘기는 계속 말했죠. Without attending to her. 무심하게. But those serpents. 하지만 그 뱀들이 말이야. There's no pleasing them. 뱀들이 만족을 못해. Alice was more and more puzzled. 앨리스는 더 궁금해졌죠. But she thought there was no use in saying anything more till the pigeon had finished. 하지만 비둘기가 말을 다 마칠 때까지 물어봤자 소용없다는 걸 알았어요. As if it wasn't trouble enough for hatching the eggs. 알을 부화시킨 게 너무 힘들어, said the pigeon. 비둘기가 말했죠. But I must be on the lookout for serpents night and day. 하지만 나는 밤낮으로 망을 봐야 돼. 뱀이 오지 않을지. Well, I haven't had a wink of sleep these 3 weeks. 3주 동안 한숨도 못 잤어. I'm very sorry you've been away. 정말 유감이네요, said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. Who was beginning to see its meaning. 무슨 말인지 이제 이해했어요. And just as I'd taken the high street and the wood. 그래서 내가 숲속에서 가장 높은 나무 위에다가 둥지를 틀었는데 continued the pigeon. 비둘기가 계속 말했죠. Raising its voice to a shriek. 거의 비명에 가까운 소리를 지르면서 And just as I was thinking I should be free of them at last. 이제 뱀이 안 오겠거니 생각을 했는데 They must needs come wriggling down from the sky. 하늘에서 내려오지 뭐야. Serpent. 뱀이라고. But I'm not a serpent. 하지만 저는 뱀이 아니에요. I tell you. said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. 저는요. What are you? 넌 뭔데? said the pigeon. 비둘기가 말했죠. I can see. You're trying to invent something. 너 무슨 말 지어내려고 하는 거지. I'm a little girl. 저는 어린 소녀예요. said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. Rather doubtfully. I should remember the number of changes she had gone through the day. 하루 종일 계속 크기가 변했기 때문에 살짝 의심스러웠지만 A likely story indeed. 진짜라니까요. 진짜 얘기를 꾸며냈구나. said the pigeon in a tone of deepest contempt. 아주 경멸조로 비둘기가 말했죠. I've seen a good many little girls in my time. 살면서 어린 소녀들 많이 봤어. But never one with such a neck as that. 하지만 그런 목을 가진 소녀는 없었다고? No, 아니야. You're a serpent. 넌 뱀이야. And there's no use denying it. 부인해봤자 소용없어. I suppose you'll be telling me next that you never tasted an egg. 다음에는 알을 맛보지 않았다고 얘기할 거지? I've tasted eggs, honey. 저는 분명히 알을 맛본 적이 있어요. said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. It was a very truthful child. 앨리스는 아주 솔직한 아이였죠. But little girls eat eggs quite as much as serpents do. 하지만 어린 소녀들도 뱀처럼 알을 먹어요. You know. I don't believe it. 안 믿어. said the pigeon. 비둘기가 말했어요. But if they do. 하지만 그렇다면 why then you're kind of spoon. 그럼 너네도 뱀이나 마찬가지지. That's all I can say. 그게 내가 할 수 있는 말이야. This was such a new idea to Alice. 이거는 앨리스에겐 새로운 관점이었죠. That she was quite silent for a minute or two. 그래서 좀 조용히 있었어요. Which gave the pigeon the opportunity of adding. 그래서 비둘기가 말을 더 할 수 있었죠. You're looking for eggs. 너는 알을 찾아다니는 거지? I know that well enough. 내가 잘 알아. And what does it matter to me? Whether you're a little girl or a serpent. 네가 어린 소녀건 뱀이건 나한테 그게 뭐가 중요하겠어. It matters a good deal to me. 저한텐 중요해요. said Alice hastily. 앨리스가 급히 말했죠. But I'm not looking for eggs. 하지만 저는 알을 찾고 있는 게 아니에요. As it happens, and if I would. 제가 그랬다면 I shouldn't want yours. 아줌마 알을 원하지 않아요. I don't like them raw. 저는 날것으로 먹는 거 싫어해요. Well, be off then. 그럼 섞어줘. said the pigeon in a sulky tone. 뾰루퉁한 목소리로 비둘기가 말했죠. As it settled down again into its nest. 둥지로 돌아가면서. Alice crouched down among the trees. 앨리스는 쭈그리고 나무 아래에 앉았죠. As well as she could. 최대한 할 수 있는 대로. For her neck kept getting entangled among the branches. 목이 계속 나뭇가지에 걸렸고 every now and then 이따금씩 she had to stop 멈춰서 untwist에 풀어줘야 했죠. After a while 한참 후에 she remembered that she still had the pieces of mushroom in her hand. 손에 버섯을 들고 있다는 사실을 기억하고 and she set to work very carefully 조심해서 작업을 했죠. Nibbling first at one 한쪽을 먹고 and then at the other 다른 쪽 걸 먹고 and growing sometimes taller 키를 키웠다가 and sometimes shorter 키를 줄였다가 until she had succeeded in bringing herself down to her usual height 보통 키로 만들어냈어요. It was so long since she had been anything near the right size 맞는 크기로 돌아온 지 한참이 돼서 that it felt quite strange at first. 처음에는 기분이 이상했죠. But she got used to it. 하지만 적응이 됐어요. In a few minutes, 몇 분 뒤에. And began talking to herself. 그리고 혼잣말했죠. As usual, 평소처럼. Come, there's my plan now. 계획의 절반이 성공했어. How puzzling these changes are. 이렇게 자꾸 변한 게 너무 놀랍네. I'm never sure what I'm going to be. 이제 뭘 해야 될지 모르겠네. From one minute to another. However, I've got back to my right size. 어쨌든 나는 제대로 된 사이즈로 돌아왔고 The next thing is 다음에는 to get into the beautiful garden. 그 아름다운 정원에 가야 돼. How's that to be done? I wonder. 어떻게 해야 되지? As she said this, 이 말할 때 she came suddenly upon an open place. 갑자기 확 트인 공간이 펼쳐졌고 with a little house in it about 4 feet high, 4피트 정도 높이의 작은 집이 나타났죠. Whoever lives there, 저기에 누가 살건 간에, thought Alice. 앨리스는 생각했어요. It'll never do to come upon them this size. 이 크기로는 갈 수가 없겠네. Why should I frighten them out of their wits? 내가 걔네들을 너무 놀랄킬 것 같아. So she began nibbling at the right hand bit again. 그래서 오른손에 들고 있던 버섯을 조금 먹었죠. And did not venture to go near the house. Till she had brought herself down to 9 inches high. 그리고 9인치가 될 때까지 기다렸다가 그 집으로 들어갔어요.